Hi, and welcome to my 30 Days 30 Concepts series with me, Pakhi Garg. I am the co founder and the technology lawyer at World Cyber Security Forum. I have curated this 30-day 30 Concepts series just to ensure that all the law students and the tech students who are not clear about various concepts can actually get an idea and actually can take according steps to ace their careers. So, let's get started. So today we have a very important and a very prevalent topic that is known as the digital redlining. So basically, it's a very serious issue that actually impacts individuals and community in the digital age. Today, I'll be telling what digital redlining is all about, why does it matters, and how can we fight back. Now, can you actually imagine for not having reliable or affordable internet access simply because of your zip code or the place you live? Well, that's quite terrible to even think of. That's digital redlining. Basically, it's a kind of a new form of discrimination, echoing the past practice of bank denying loans to certain colors people in certain areas. This lack of internet actually blocks opportunities that many of us do take for granted. Digital redlining actually happens in various ways. Internet providers might not invest in infrastructure for low income communities. They may also charge us higher prices in those areas. It can even involve algorithms used for online services that makes it harder for people in redline neighborhoods to qualify for various kind of jobs, loans and other essential opportunities. When the people actually lack reliable internet access, they honestly miss on some additional educational resources. Job searches and remote work becomes quite difficult and next to impossible for them. Communication with the family and access to vital services actually goes offline. System that should offer a pathway out, poverty can become a tool of exclusion for them. But fortunately, now lawmakers, activists, and concerned citizens are pushing for the solution. New laws are expanding internet access and preventing unfair trade practices are actually coming into the picture. Legal professionals are actually playing a key role in shaping these regulations. It's vital to address these algorithmic biasness that actually perpetuate the digital redlining. Everybody deserves to access the opportunities the digital world actually offers. Legal students, you can help shape the laws that ensure fairness. And tech students, you can definitely design systems that actually prioritize inclusion and ethical practices. Let's work together for a future where everyone has a chance to succeed online. That's all for the today's session. Thank you very much for joining. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Bye bye.